Hey, what's up guys? I want to do another quick update video, so let's get into it. I made some progress this week on both the Landcruiser and the Beetle. I cleaned up and painted the rest of the frame on the Landcruiser. Came out pretty good. I painted that with the same POR15 that I did the back section with. I ordered a kit to rebuild these front knuckles. So that's going to be the next step. I'm going to pull this all apart, rebuild that, finish painting that, and then I'll install all the new brakes parts. Hey, here's Walter. Walter, what's up, buddy? Everybody, in case you don't know, this is my dog, Walter. He shows up in a lot of the videos. Anyways, so the next step on the Landcruiser will be to rebuild the knuckles and then do the brakes. And then I've already painted the tie rods. I have to put new tie rod ends on them and put all the front end components back on, the shocks, everything. I've got a new bumper for it. And then I'll get started on the engine. The engine's still back over there in the corner. For the Beetle this week, I made some more progress on it as well. Of course, I have the back window in. That was in last week. But the video for that finally came out this week. I still don't have these quarter windows in. I'm not sure I'm going to keep trying to put those in. I think I'm going to try to either buy a new kit or find the parts and do it myself. But I think I'm going to put in pop-out quarter windows because they're better and they're way easier to install. But I did get the windshield in the other day, and so I was able to finish the video with at least the windshield and the rear window. So that's coming along nicely. The next video for this will be the seats, and then maybe the pop-out windows if I have them in time. So this is a deck lid for another project I'm getting ready to do a little bit of work on. This is the Bushmaster. It's still in the same condition it was for the last update video. Those are the seats for the Beetle. I'm getting ready to strip those down and cover those. Basically this thing, I haven't had much time this week to work on buffing out this side of it. Hopefully I'll get that done next week. I do have the bumper is painted now. I had to paint this section here as well that goes underneath the front bumper, and the way that I did that is I just ordered a spray can of this paint color. I'll show you that in a second, but anyways, this is pretty much the same as it was last week. So I've used this company several times, this Touch Up Direct. I basically just went online. Well, actually I found the paint coat on the truck itself, but I just ordered it basically just the stock color, and then it comes with a clear coat. That section, it had a little bit of, well, quite a bit of chipping, but it goes under the bumper. It's not that visible. The paint does seem to match really well, but obviously the paint on the truck is old and that can is new, but it shouldn't be very noticeable. It's gonna look a lot better than it did with all the chips. Also, I'll show you what I've got going on out here. So I just got done bringing the 911 back. I'm gonna drive that one for a little while, and I've got a few small things to do on that. And then I also brought the Mini here. So that deck lid that you saw outside is the new deck lid for this car. So this car has been backdated. It looks like a Gen 1 in the front. I backdated the taillights to a Gen 1, but this whole deck lid or trunk is wrong. It's not correct for the backdated look. So I have all the components to put the Gen 1 trunk on here. So that's what I'm going to be doing. But of course it has to be painted, and then I had to order all the new stickers and everything so that it'll match. basically this part shouldn't be on there, and this shape is a little bit different, and then the license plate swings out on the trunk lid that I'm putting on. But so anyways, I brought that car home and the 911. Again, as always, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like the videos, and you know, feel free to ask questions and make comments down below. So that's it for this week. I'll probably do these every week-ish, or at least a few times a month. Anyways, okay, till next time, bye.